What is the background and history of the international project on cardiovascular disease in Russia?
The background to the study is that we've been looking for a long time with colleagues in Russia in a series of collaborations going right back, in fact, to the 1990s, looking at the very high mortality found in Russia, particularly amongst working age people. So Russia is unusual in the fact that mortality, which is high, is particularly high amongst that section of the population, which is the motor of any country, that people of working age who are there, they're there as mothers, fathers, heads of families, and people who are earning and being creative in the economy. But it's in that age group that actually mortality is particularly high compared to other countries in Europe and elsewhere. So the background really is, since the 1990s, mortality has not been doing very well in Russia, certainly until about 2005 when things began to improve. But the background really is very high mortality, particularly at working ages, which feeds through to low life expectancy at birth. And we've done other work on this question since the mid-1990s. We've done another study in 2000 in a city called Izhevsk, and all these things tried to understand some of these aspects. But the current project really has grown out of that, which is nobody has really looked clearly at cardiovascular disease mortality, which in Russia, as in virtually all countries of the world, certainly all industrialized countries, is the main cause of death. So more people die in Russia and in Britain and in Norway and other countries from cardiovascular disease than any other single cause. So we have to get to the bottom of why cardiovascular mortality amongst working age people is so high.